Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another copywriting tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to dumb down your content. And why would you want to do this? Basically because it's easier to digest. Let's say that you're talking about a really complicated topic and you don't know how to put it in easy words, right? You can't put it in something that is tangible. You have a lot of ideas, a lot of complex terms and stuff, but you don't know how to do it friendly so your audience understands and also gets more persuaded. Because remember guys, the easier it is, the more persuasive it's gonna become, and the best chance that you have of people consuming more your content. So in order to dumb down your content, you need to use metaphors. Why? Because using metaphors, it's kind of like borrowing some emotional energy from things that people already understand. And I just did it with you guys. It's kind of like borrowing so you know what it's like to go to a bank and borrow some money, right? So I tell you, it's like borrowing emotions, which is something that it's really hard to grasp, hard to understand. But I'm telling you, it's like going to a bank, to an emotional bank, and borrowing some emotions from stuff that people already know that it's really easy. So in this way, you take really complex topics and you make them easy to digest. The formula is telling people it's kind of like. So a really example that works quite well in this occasion, it's meditation. When I'm telling people about meditation, it's a really complex term, right? It's a really complex thing to tell people about. So I'll tell them, yeah, it's just like going to the gym. When you go to the gym and you make one rep, and then the next day you make another rep, you're gonna be stronger and stronger and stronger, right? So you need to keep going to the gym so your brain, your mind gets stronger. So I'm taking the thing of going to the gym, which a lot of people can relate to and understand, to tell them about meditation, about mindfulness. So it's way easier to understand. People use this a lot in a lot of things. When we're referring like money is liquid, like liquidity, right? Obviously money is not like water, it's not liquid, but we know what people are referring to because we know water. Other thing people say, like, yeah, don't throw money down the drain, because you know what is throwing things down the drain, and it works better. People read it quicker, understand better, and it's more friendly and also fun. If you tell people I'm drowning in debt, right? You're not actually drowning, but you're taking that action of drowning and taking it into a different context. So this is really powerful, guys. If you start using metaphors, you're gonna see your profit increase, your conversions increase drastically. So now I'm gonna tell you like some marketing angles you can use and people use a lot. So the journey one, we have everyone heard like, yes, enjoy the journey. If you wanna be successful in online business, enjoy the journey, enjoy this, the journey. We're always talking about a journey because everyone knows what a journey looks like. So they're gonna relate all this process rather than if I tell you, okay, you need to take one step, you might fail, then take a different step, then might fail. So you're gonna fail a lot, you're gonna try a lot, but if I'll tell you, it's just a journey, because you already know that journeys are about discovering stuff, about ups and downs. Or when people tell you like, yes, life is like a roller coaster. You know what a roller coaster is. So it's easier to understand than telling you sometimes you're gonna feel really good, then you're gonna feel really bad, then you're gonna feel good again, and bad again, and good and bad, and good and bad. Tell them life is a roller coaster. If you tell, yes, she got eyes of like a diamond, you already know that they're really bright. So this is literally, it's a copy hack, because you're taking things that are already really easy to understand, really emotionally charged, and you're taking them into a different context. So metaphors are like a copy hack. Another example is when people tell about transformations, right? Like you need to transform your business because you already know what transformation means. But obviously in this context, it doesn't make quite sense, right? Because it's something that it's not tangible, not something that you can touch. So using metaphors, it's a good way to make untangible things tangible, ideas, things that you can't see and you can touch into something that it's really easy to digest. Connection, like a lot of companies say like, yes, you need to make more connections with people. You're not actually connecting with them, but that's a reference. So in marketing, we always also use the reference of balance. You need to balance, your expenses and your profit and your revenue and expenses. You need to balance it out because you already know what balancing means. So that's the formula, guys. Use metaphors as much as you can. Obviously, don't overuse them. Make sure that your audience is gonna understand them, because even though metaphors can be things that are not related at all, you can still be sure that your audience is related and is gonna understand. So use metaphors to dumb down your content to make people understand it better, and leverage all the emotional energy that those things already have. You can use them anywhere. If you wanna introduce them in a really smooth way, you can always tell like, yes, you know how doing online marketing, it's kind of like this. It's kind of like, that's the key there. Use the word it's kind of like this so people know what's coming and they don't feel like confused, like what is this, what this thing has to do with the other. So kind of like, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you take advantage out of this. Look for the metaphors that work best for your unique audience. If you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, subscribe down below. If you want to take it to the next level, check out the Crucial Copy Skills ebook where I show all these skills in more depth. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.